in for another one. As you can see, I'm just removing some screws that previously held this to the old. As you can see, it just kind of broke away with the upper dash or the lower dash, I'm guessing. You can see here, Davidson Rubber, I'm guessing, is the company that originally made a dash cover. It's interesting, I guess, at most. If you're into that type of thing or you care about that type of thing, me personally, I don't. Not necessarily, anyway. Let's see if we can screw it and push this one out. Like it's caught on something here. Hold on. Got that out. Pretty much, I guess my first approach is just gonna be to sand down this opposite side here. I mean, it could just be as simple as a wrap. Like, take all of this off and wrap it. But you could also just go in with the Bondo filler, I believe, and just sand it down. This ain't a how-to. This is me showing you what I'm going to do to mine. If you want an actual how-to, go check out Sprayway Customs on YouTube. And he'll give you some step-by-step directions. Me, I'm just faking it till I make it. So, it's pretty bad though. Pretty bad. Actually, like, I mean, depending upon how bad it is, it might not be such a bad idea to go down, to just peel all this off, maybe. Like, if it wasn't as cracked as it was, then maybe it'll be something different. You know what I'm talking about? Maybe it wouldn't be so bad. Maybe it wouldn't. I was saying, if the cracking wasn't so bad to where I could just peel, like, look at this. Look at this. If it wasn't so bad to where I could just pull all this off, then I might feel that I could go that direction with it. But because it's so bad, I really think I may be wasting my time trying to sand it down. And so look at this. That's ridiculous. Shout out to GM for their beautiful dash design. Hey, look at this. It's peeling all out the front. So that might be the move we go to, man. I think we might just go ahead and pull all this stuff out here. Let me get me a trash bag. So as I'm going to pull off, man, it's something. I mean, this dash is bad, bro. Like, I don't know if this is the way it's supposed to be or what, but yeah, this dash is bad. But I mean, this is nothing better to start with. Being that this is my first time spilling food with, you know, body filler and fucking, well, not first time, but you're like actually trying to do like a custom piece here. Like, it got a hole in it. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be there. So there's a hole right here. I mean, do you hear me? So, what I might just go ahead and do is start on maybe this side. and make sure that we got a good foundation. You can put like a piece of tape right there where we can build the body filler up on there. Of course, block off our holes that our mounting holes. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 on the ends, and then you got your 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. But yeah, ooh, we child. I don't know, man. I'm gonna grab this sander, man, and put it on there and just see what the fuck happened, cause it ain't looking good for the home team. But you gotta see the vision. I see the vision in this. You know what I'm talking about? So let's get it. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSRod254. When you tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. LSRod254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so what I did, I kind of went overkill. I don't know. I kind of feel like maybe I should have put a flap disc on there. Because originally I was just trying to sand it. And some parts sanded and other parts demolished. I can see some of this. And then you can see here where we got all the way through to the middle. So, I mean, it's definitely a whole lot of spots, but that's why I said I think I'm gonna just start from here. Probably go back with like I don't know. Go back with 80 grit on a 5-inch sander and just sand all of this down. You know, see, I still didn't even touch none of that. And what it did, I mean, it pretty much, it just tore that 60 grit pad up. So either I can throw another 60 on now, take it a little bit slower, or just get, what I think I'm going to do is get that 80 grit to smooth everything out. If it worked for metal, it should work for this. Knock it down and then basically just prep it and get it ready to fill in with whatever we're gonna fill it in with. So here I come into my change of plans thing. This video is gonna be one long ass video. That's how that's gonna work for this one. So basically what I'm gonna do, because this is, I mean, I'm gonna take it down Because I'm already running into metal like a lot. Like a lot, like a lot. So, I mean, I know it does have its little points where I know it's not metal. I don't know. I know I feel metal pretty much all the way up to probably right here. And then the metal kind of come off of it, or it comes to hang over like that. So that's why I didn't necessarily want to go all the way down the metal, because then you kind of lose the form of the dashboard. So, all right, let's not do that. Let's come back to this after I've come up with a different plan of action. Now that I see what I'm working with. Like I said, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. So, yeah, we'll come back. Like I said, if nothing else, I'll just continue to sand it, get everything kind of level, and start filling it in and building off of there. Like I said, this is practice. But I know I don't want to go down to just a piece of metal. I'm pretty sure that I don't want to do that. So, all right, man, bring it back on.